Hello everyone, I greet you all according to your time. How are you all doing, guys? I hope you all are doing splendid. Today's video, guys, is all about air fryer. I came to this big market to buy air fryer. So guys, I'm here in Media Markt Center Commercial. Okay guys. Then I said, let me take you guys along so that you guys will know the price of some of their goods. Today, guys, we are going to check out blending machine and air fryer. This very one I touched cost 88 euros. Look, guys, they have a lot of blended machine with different prices. So guys, let's march to the side of rice cooker. You can also boil yam with it. This white one is bread baking. This bread baking and rice cooking have different prices. Some prices are low and some of them have a higher prices. As you can see, the price of this one is 59. Some are 109. That one is 69. Some are 168. Like this one is 99. Okay, this very one is 99 and is so very cute. I love it. This another one is so cute as well. This one is 109. Okay guys, and let's see this price. This is 149. Oh my god. So guys, we move to the other. Let's go. These are the air fryer, guys. I was liking this one that have three color: blue, grease and black color. I so much love it, and the price was so cheap. The price was 89 euros, but they don't have it. These ones with yellow sticker is the ones they already reduced their price.
Purchase your beats today.
It's a poet so loud. What is the make I do? I never do for you. Every day I dey come to your room. That you know say I love you, they burn down me every night when I'm dead. Every day I go come to your place, find girl. Oh. Nobody can stop me to love you, girl. Oh. Nobody can stop me to love you. Oh. You know every day I go there for you. I know go life for you. You are the love of my life, oh girl. You are the love of my life, oh girl. You are the love of my life, oh girl. You are the love of my life, oh girl. You are the love of my life, oh. You are the love of my life, oh girl. You are the love of my life, oh girl. You are the love of my life, oh. Only you and I love. Only you I go be with. Only you I go trust. Only you.
Guys, I'm trying to say yes to this very one, but they also have the same air fryer here. The difference was the color, which is this one. The difference is the color. This one is a black, everything black, and then this one have grease and black. The difference of 10 euro, guys. So I think I'm going to choose this very one. This very one. 140 euro. Okay. 140 card, guys. So let's pick one and let's move on. We move, guys, so that we will not sleep here today. This is the carton, guys. I just want to see if the things are correct. So here, this is the manual. You have manual, and this to grill your meat. If you put meat on top of it, the thing will just grill it. So guys, let's go. Hey guys, I'm home. I'm home with my air fryer. So guys, let's unbox it together. Let me bring it. Here is the air fryer. At last, guys, I came home with this very one. Okay, so we are going to unbox it together. We are going to unbox it together. Let me see. Yeah. That is the manual. So we also came with this one. Okay. I have to put this thing down so that I'm able to fix it. Put it there. I'm just going to do this right here. And you do it by yourself. Here is the air fryer. So it's so beautiful, guys. Let me show it to you very well. Let me take the camera close to it. Here is it, guys. It's so cute. It has some buttons here just to touch it. Anytime you want to make use of it, you just touch it. It's so sweet. You know, the first one, the one I have before, was not using this kind of button. That one, let me show you that one. I also have it there. I have not thrown it off at all. I keep it there. Maybe it's going to work one day, I don't know. So I just keep it aside. Let me bring it for you guys to see. So here is the former one. This is the former one, guys. I don't know what's wrong with it. The Repente, I find out that it's not working anymore. I don't know what's wrong. Anytime I plug it, it will just be making noise, but it's not working. Because if it's working, it's going to show blue in this place. That is the sign to know that it's working. But if I plug it now, it will not even show me any sign. It will not even on this very light that's supposed to on. So mean this thing is not working. So let me take it away and bring out my new one. So you see the new one, the difference is clear. It has a big difference. The pattern of the air fryer and my first one is not the same. This one is like 4 corner. The other one was a round. Yeah, it was that the first one. The other one was round, but this one is 4 corner. Guys, I think we should plug and see if it's working. Yeah, we should do that. We should plug and see if it's working, for me to know if I'm going to return it or not. I don't know. I think we have a month to return it, or 15 days. I don't even. It's like 15 days or 1 month to return it. I will check. So let's plug it. Let's plug it and see. And close this really well. Okay. It makes sense. Making. This is on and off, I guess. Good. Okay, the time. The minutes. Maybe if you want to plus it, is this one. So guys, you know, when I was trying to increase the time, it wasn't going at all. After 4 days, guys, I went to change it and I came home with another one. So this is the one I came home with. This is the carton. This is how it look. So I believe that this one will be much easier than the other one that have buttons, and is even more cheaper. This one cost 89, while the former one was 139. You see the difference? So I have already unboxed it. Let's see how it works. This is the wine and stuff. So it came with two. One is the what is it called? The degree, and the other one is timing. Okay, guys. So let's first of all, I'm going to clean it with vinegar before we can use it. I have already cleaned it, so let's make roasted plantain. The degree I used was 200 degree and timing was 10 minutes. And it came out so beautiful. Here is the plantain, guys. I roasted it without oil, so it came out so very nice. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.